Okay, we just turned it on. There's probably something wrong with the bulb, but I gotta figure it out. There's a little bit of light up top, but let's see. Hold it. Hold this. Let's see if it's gonna play.
You see, my dad's about to put a quarter in it, so it only need one quarter. So you see, my dad put the quarter in it.
The core mechanism didn't work.
The quarter measure didn't work. And
well, I put a token in. Let's try a quarter.
Let's try a quarter to play. Let's see if it works.
Oh, say oh, the light did come on. So push the light, push the button. Push the button, the red button that's blinking. And roll the ball. So look, it is playing, it is working. I'm gonna have to change the trackball on it. But it's playing okay. I got a good deal on it. Even though I have this on the 60 and 1, you don't get the real feel until you do it on this. So we got it working. Didn't have to do much to it. What I'm gonna do, we're gonna clean it up and go from there. All right. And I forgot to give you the date. Is December the 9th. Correction. I'm tripping. January the 9th, 2014. All right. Everybody have a good night. All right. Cortez, say bye.